Have you ever wondered why is Hajj so significant? Every year, millions of Muslims from around the world travel to Makkah to perform Hajj. Hajj is one of the 5 pillars of Islam. It is an obligation upon every Muslim who is physically and financially able to perform it at least once in their lifetime. This sacred journey takes place every year from the 8th to the 13th of Zulhijjah, the final month of the Islamic lunar calendar. Over several days, pilgrims perform important rituals in and around Makkah, including Mina, Arafah, and Muzdalifah. These rituals were taught and practiced by the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and each one carries deep spiritual meaning. On the 8th of Zulhijjah, the first day of Hajj begins. Pilgrims enter into the state of Ihram, a sacred state of purity and spiritual discipline. Men wear simple white, unstitched cloth, while women wear modest clothing. This simple dress removes signs of wealth, status, and worldly differences. Rich or poor, young or old, from every country and every background, everyone stands equal before Allah Almighty. During Ihram, pilgrims must follow strict rules. They must avoid perfume, cutting hair or nails. Men are not allowed to wear such socks or shoes that hide the instep, meaning the raised middle part of the foot. It is also not allowed to wear a cap or tie a turban or handkerchief on the head, and worldly conflicts and quarrels also must be avoided. Throughout Hajj, pilgrims repeatedly recite the talbiyah, Labbaik Allahumma Labbaik, meaning, I am present, O Allah, I am present. It is a powerful declaration of devotion, submission, and love for Allah Almighty. On the first day, pilgrims travel to Mina, known as the tent city. They spend the night there in prayer, reflection, and preparation for the most important day of Hajj. The next day is the 9th of Zulhijjah, the day of Arafah. This is the greatest day of Hajj. From morning until sunset, pilgrims gather on the plains of Arafah, near Mount Arafah, around 20 kilometers from Makkatul Mukarramah. They spend the day making dua, seeking forgiveness, remembering Allah, and reflecting on their lives. The day of Arafah is a day of mercy, forgiveness, and hope. It reminds Muslims of the day of judgment, when every person will stand before Allah. After sunset, pilgrims leave Arafah and travel to Muzdalifah. There they spend the night under the open sky, away from the comforts and distractions of worldly life. They rest on the plain ground and collect pebbles for the ritual of stoning the Jamarat in the days ahead. The third day is the 10th of Zulhijjah, the day of sacrifice, also known as Eid al-Adha. At dawn, pilgrims return to Mina. They stone the largest pillar, known as the Jamarat, as a symbolic rejection of Shaitan. This ritual remembers the moment when Shaitan tried to stop Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, from obeying the command of Allah. Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, rejected him and remained firm in his obedience. Pilgrims then offer a sacrifice. After the sacrifice, pilgrims perform tawaf around the Kaaba. They walk around the Kaaba 7 times, worshipping Allah at the sacred house built by Prophet Ibrahim and Prophet Ismail, peace be upon them. Pilgrims then shave or trim their hair. At this stage, many of the restrictions of Ihram come to an end. For the next few days, pilgrims remain in Mina. They continue remembering Allah, praying and stoning all 3 Jamarat. Before leaving Makkah, pilgrims perform the Farewell Tawaf. This is the final act of worship at the Kaaba before going to Madinatul Munawwara. Hajj is not just a journey of the body, it is a journey of the heart. It is the only gathering in the world where millions stand shoulder to shoulder with no hierarchy, no pride, and no difference in status, just servants of Allah seeking forgiveness, mercy, and closeness to their Creator. Many people returned from Hajj changed, softer, calmer, more reflective, and more connected to Allah Almighty. Hajj is not just a trip, it is a transformation of the soul. May Allah Almighty grant us all the chance to travel on the blessed journey of Hajj. Ameen.